This is India's first 4G enabled eSIM smartwatch. New model from NoiseFit Voyage just launched in the Indian market, and I have been getting so many comments from you people in my recent smartwatch videos asking like make an unboxing video and share your experience, and that is what I'll be doing exactly in this video. Very exciting video guys, and the watch also has like interesting features. It comes with like a beautiful Retina AMOLED display, as I've told you, supports 4G eSIMs as well. Apart from that, Bluetooth calling is also there, and crazy part is it also has like built-in GPS plus GLONASS for all the fitness freaks out there who wanna track your location related data. So I'm like very excited to unbox and get started with the video. But before that, you people know the drill, right? If this video crosses like 5,000 likes, I will give this premium smartwatch as a gift to a lucky subscriber on the channel. There's nothing you need to do. Simply make sure to like this video and quickly get that milestone to get your hands on this product. And apart from that, also make sure to click the notifications bell icon on so you can stay up to date with all the channel and video updates over here. And also guys, don't forget to comment down below, otherwise how am I gonna pick you as a winner? Anyways, that is pretty much it. Now let's quickly get started with the unboxing. And here we go, our brand new NoiseFit Voyage came in this sort of box packaging. Definitely a premium looking box for a premium category smartwatch. You have the Voyage mentioned over here, a picture of the product as well. And as I've told you, this is Noise's very first 4G enabled smartwatch that can independently work even without your smartphone because it supports eSIM. Apart from that, you're also getting built-in GPS as well for all the fitness freaks out there. Going to the backside here, you can check out some of its main highlights, like it comes with a 1.4-inch Retina AMOLED display, has Bluetooth calling feature as well, 100 plus port activities and plenty of other features, which will anyhow talk in the video. As soon as you open it, there you go, at the top, you're actually getting a note. I believe it's a thank you note for purchasing it. Keeping that aside, there you go boys, our brand new NoiseFit Voyage 4G eSIM smartwatch. And for your information, it's only available in one color, which is jet black, and that's it. No other strap variants are also not there. Anyways, this is our very first hands-on and looks at this smartwatch. Keeping that aside, you also get some accessories which include a magnetic pogo pin cable for charging and again some paperwork like user manual. Just make sure to read that. So that's it boys, quick unboxing is done. Now let me give you a closer look at the product and talk about the design and build quality. Initial impressions, NoiseFit Voyage definitely has a sporty sort of vibe. I mean, look at the whole dial, the bezel, the whole look over here. It's a round dial AMOLED smartwatch and has a beautiful bezel guys, and has lots of markings on it, minute markings. So basically it gives you like a sporty sort of feel. Talking about the display, it comes with a 1.4-inch round Retina AMOLED display with a high resolution format, and look at the bezel as well, detail on the bezel, these orange inserts here and there. I love the accents guys, definitely gives you that sports car sort of feel. Talking about the build quality, good build quality. The upper bezel is made of metal, stainless steel, but it looks like the remaining part of the body is made of polycarbonate material. And talking about the buttons, you're getting two buttons over here. Top one looks like a power button, below one is a functional button, and in between that you have the built-in microphone, and speaker is on the other side. And here's how the bottom profile looks like. You've got your health related sensors, some details about the product, charging contacts, and that is pretty much it. And not to miss out, NoiseFit Voyage is also IP68 rated, water and dust resistant. Moving on, let me show you the straps. You get a plain black sort of design to match with the entire sporty theme, but could have been much more premium considering the price point. I mean, it looks kind of plain, no design, nothing. But good thing is they're also replaceable, so yes, you can remove them and replace with your favorite ones anytime in future. So that is pretty much it, our complete overview on the design and build quality part. What I'll do is I'll quickly set it up, use it for some time, and then be right back to continue this video. Alright, setup part is all done, and I've been using this product for the whole day. So right now I'll be sharing my initial impressions and complete feedback on this model. I'm pretty sure you people also have lots of questions, right? Though this is not a dedicated review, all your questions will be answered over here. Anyways, we've already discussed about the design and build quality part, right? So let me talk about the display quality first. So NoiseFit Voyage features a 1.4-inch round Retina AMOLED display, and initial impressions display definitely looks like a good quality one. The brand says that it features 454 by 454 high resolution panel, so there's good amount of detail. Plus you're also getting always on display support as well. Raise to wake function is also there. As you can see, all the text, everything is like pretty much clear and easily readable. Talking about the colors are also nice. I mean, it's an AMOLED panel, right? Nothing less to expect over here. Punchy and vibrant colors. Contrast levels, black levels are also pretty good. Overall, it's a very good display, and brightness levels are also quite satisfactory. Only thing if I had to say is bezels on the display are slightly a bit thick. thicker. I wish the bezels on the watch could have been, much more slimmer considering the price point. I mean, it's a premium category smartwatch, right? And talking about the software and UI, here's how the home screen on it looks like. You can easily apply lots of watch faces by long touching on the home screen. On board, I think you're getting around like 3 or 4 watch faces pre-installed, but not to worry, you can download even more cloud-based watch faces from NoiseFit Voyage compatible app on your phone. If you ask about the navigation part, as I have told you, the watch features 2 buttons. Top one is your menu/features button, and the bottom one is your function button, which is like a custom key also. You can customize it using the app. The NoiseFit Voyage doesn't have a digital functional crown. I mean, it's a premium category model, right? We would have expected that, especially when the ColorFit Pro series had that feature at half the price. They could have given it over here. Anyways, moving on and talking about the software and UI, it is pretty much the same just like any other NoiseFit smartwatch, guys. Swiping down on the home screen gives you access to your status panel and quick toggles. Plenty of toggles are there, and from here only you can directly access your eSIM feature as well. So guys, one thing I have to mention is there is no SIM slot on this watch. It only supports eSIM, and that too, the eSIM is not shareable. For example, if you already have like an eSIM and that you're using it on your phone, right, you cannot use that eSIM on this watch. For this watch, you'll need to take like a fresh SIM either from Airtel or Jio and then activate and pair it with the watch from the app, and that is how you'll be able to use a 4G eSIM on this smartwatch, guys. Unfortunately, I couldn't manage time to buy a brand new 4G eSIM just for this smartwatch review because I just got it in the morning, right? I was mostly using the Bluetooth calling feature only, the regular way by pairing it with your smartphone app and then attending all the calls on this watch. Apart from that, one more really nice feature is the watch also supports TWS earphones as well. So if you're using this maybe during workout, sport activity session, right, you can actually pair your TWS and listen to music on your Bluetooth earbuds. Definitely nice. But again, there is no onboard storage on this watch, so you'll have to connect it to your phone and remote play music from there. I really wish brand could have given a little bit of storage, maybe at least store like 50 songs. That would have been like pretty nice considering the price point. Anyway, swiping left or right on the home screen gives you access to your widgets and quick toggles. Swiping up on the home screen gives you access to your notifications page. Here you can check out all your recent notifications, either it be mails, SMSs, or any sort of messages from social media apps like Instagram, Twitter, or even WhatsApp. Again, as usual, guys, there is no option to reply to the messages from the smartwatch. You can only look at them and delete the messages. So that was basically all the features and functions available on the home screen. Now, if you want to access a complete list of apps, you can do that by pressing this apps or features button at the top side. You have plenty of apps and features just like how you would find them on the other NoiseFit apps, starting off with Noise Bus, which is your Bluetooth calling application. Again, for this you'll need to be connected to your phone via Bluetooth, and that is how you'll be able to answer all the calls. Moving on, you've got Noise Health, which is like a complete health suit package and shows you 24/7 fitness related data, like how many steps you've taken for that day, distance traveled, calories time, what is your active time for that period, and stuff like that. If you want like a detailed analysis, maybe like a weekly or monthly summary, you can check out the full details on NoiseFit Voyage app on your phone. Followed by Workouts app. As I've told you, watch supports like 100 plus sport activity tracking, and best part is it also has built-in GPS plus GLONASS feature also. So all the fitness freaks out there, if you want to track your positioning system wherever you're going, right, like if you want to complete location details as well, yes, the NoiseFit Voyage supports that, and you'll get like full map details also on the compatible app on your phone. Moving on, you got plenty of health related tracking features like 24/7 HR monitoring is available, sleep data monitoring and tracking is also there, blood oxygen SpO2 function, breathing exercises, stress level monitoring, and all of that. Followed by you do have a 24/7 weather data analysis as well. Calculator app is also built in, so math nerds out there, you can definitely use calculator for solving your problems. Flashlight and all the clock related features like timer, stopwatch, alarms, all of these are available just like any other Noise smartwatch. And lastly, you do have a game section as well. There is only one game over here called basketball, and you can play this for time pass. So that's it. These are all the apps and features available on the NoiseFit Voyage. And going to the settings, pretty much general settings, if you go to the display section, you can adjust the brightness, raise to wake function, always on style like maybe analog or digital. If you go to the network section, here you can access stuff like airplane mode, Bluetooth settings. From here also you can pair your TWS connection, and lastly eSIM mobile data connection. And apart from that, you have some general settings like power mode settings, vibration enable or disable, app notifications, and custom function key shortcut settings. So that is pretty much it, our complete overview on the software, UI, built-in apps and features. Now let me share you my feedback on health related features. NoiseFit Voyage features a complete health suit package. It is capable of measuring a 24/7 HR, blood oxygen, SpO2, stress level monitoring, and plenty of other features which you might commonly find on all the smartwatches. And I've been testing it for the whole day, right? Sensors were doing a good job and we're giving like accurate results almost 90% of the time. Also, for your info, I've actually seen a couple of comments from you people saying, are these sensors genuinely working? And to show you people, let's actually try out the sensor on a toy. We have Vegeta over here who's our volunteer for the day. So I'll place the smartwatch on this toy and try to measure the heart rate of a non-living item. So as you can see, when you place these sort of watches on a toy and try to measure the heart rate, it will not work. Matlab, how will it work, man? It's a toy, non-living item. Obviously the sensor will fail and give you a message saying please wear the watch correctly and measure again. So I believe that answers your question, right? So boys, those are all the health related features. Now moving on, let me share you my experience with the Bluetooth calling and talk about the microphone and speaker quality. Apart from Bluetooth calling, yes, it does have support for 4G eSIM as well, supports Jio and also Airtel service providers. And let me tell you, I've done a couple of Bluetooth calls over here and call quality experience was nice. Microphone was definitely picking up my voice and other person could clearly hear and understand what I was saying. Speaker quality was fine. It was producing good amount of detail and all the dialogues were clear and understandable. But only thing I felt is speaker output was a bit limited, guys. So you'll have to place the watch very close to your ear to actually hear what the other person is speaking. And if there's a lot of disturbance or noise in the outdoors, right, it might be a bit difficult to use the calling feature. Hey, we're almost coming to an end, right? So let me share you my experience on the battery life as well. So battery life, just like any other Bluetooth calling smartwatch, is kind of mediocre, I would say, guys. If you're using it on a moderate sort of usage with the brightness set to level 4, a bit of workout activities and also always on display on, you can expect around like 5 to 6 days of battery life at a stretch. But if you're like a heavy user, you're using that Bluetooth calling feature a lot, brightness set to maximum and also sport activity with GPS level tracking, right, you'll only get around like 1 day of max battery life, guys. So these are the kind of results you can expect on this particular model. Anyway, so that's it, our complete unboxing and initial impressions on the NoiseFit Voyage Smartwatch. What do you people think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Lots of features are there, beautiful AMOLED display, Bluetooth calling, and best part is it supports 4G eSIM, which is like one of a kind feature in India. And not to miss out, it's also IP68 rated, and lastly comes with built-in GPS plus GLONASS as well. Only a couple of things if I had to point out is, see, at this price point, brand could have added features like digital functional crown, because considering their color fit profile series, which are half the price of this particular model, right, they could have added that feature. And one more thing they could have done is maybe add options for like more strap variants or color variants. It's only available in this jet black, plain black strap. They could have added something like leather strap or maybe like metal strap, something like that. And last but not the least, I felt price of the smartwatch could have been slightly lower. If you all enjoyed watching this video and got complete information on this product, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.